Hello there, my name is Caroline, and on this episode we're going to make a simple African meal, ugali and steamed spinach. You're gonna love it. The spinach is so creamy with the ugali. It is so delicious. Stay tuned, subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes. If you've not been in Kenya and tried this meal, you're missing out, because it's so easy to make and so healthy and so delicious. That's the point. So what you need is some maize flour, depending on the number of people you have, some fresh spinach, and some butter to make the spinach, for garnishing some danias, and also for taste and flavor some salt, and 2 Royco cubes. And that's it, guys. Let's get to cooking. So for ugali, the first thing you do is you put some water in a pot and you let it boil. You're going to close it to let it boil, and then you're going to work on our spinach. So we're going to wash this first and cut them into small pieces. Going to wash them. Our spinach we've done cutting our spinach, so we're going to heat our pan and put 1 tablespoon of butter on our pan so that they're so creamy. So use 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to put our cube, and you put it when you're crushing it. You crush it. You crush the cube. So next we're going to put our spinach. And don't put salt, because the Royco cube is already salted. And also your butter is salted. We're going to cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. We are going to work on our ugali. Our water has boiled. We normally use amwiko. We call this amwiko. It's the one we use to cook our ugali. So what you do is you put your maize flour bit by bit. Make sure you stir so that you don't put too much flour. So the stirring will help you know the amount of flour you keep putting. If you like the soft ugali or the hard ugali, depending. So put a bit more of flour, some bit more. And then this is where the turning starts. You hold your sufuria and then you keep turning it like this. Keep turning until no flour, you can't see any flour. Everything else is inside. Once you turn like that, make sure you put it in the shape like this, so that you capture all the ugali on the sides. Going to turn, so you use a flat surface to turn your ugali like this, and then you can return it on your sufuria. And then you let it cook that side on low heat for 10 minutes. each side 5 minutes, so we can do 5 minutes on one side and the other side 5 minutes on low heat. We're going to turn our spinach. Look at this, it's so creamy. They look amazing. This is good. You have to have avocado to go with your ugali. So this is a well ripe avocado. You're going to cut it into two first. There you go. And then you're going to cut it into pieces. You can remove the sides. There you go. It's a very good ripe avocado. And then you can also garnish with some dania. Just a few danias to garnish your food. I'm going to wash them first. Going to turn our ugali again so that the other side can cook. Going to turn it on our flat surface here, and then we're going to put it here. Our spinach is done. Going to plate this. Our spinach are ready. We're going to plate them. Look at this, so creamy. Look at that, it looks great. So creamy. I'm going to plate our ugali. Wow, look at that. It's perfection. Looks so good on our plate. Gonna put, of course, our avocado. There we go. So if you're here visiting Kenya, remember to ask for a plate of ugali and spinach. You're going to love it. I'm going to have a taste And we love our ugali with maziwa mala, so it's always good to have that cup of maziwa mala with you when you're having your ugali. I'm gonna take some ugali and of course an avocado. Then I'm going to put some spinach. So this is how you eat your ugali. So a bit of ugali and some spinach. There you go. So delicious, so good. And the ugali is so well done because you've given it a bit of time to cook in the cooker. Don't rush your ugali. The secret to having the best tasty ugali is slow cooking. Just put your ugali on low heat and let it just cook for like 10 minutes, and it's so delicious. I hope you have enjoyed this episode with me making our African cuisine ugali. So remember to subscribe, give me that like, share this video. Yes, that's it. Bye bye.